My skin looked terrible last summer, dry, dull, and older than my actual age. I tried expensive creams, serums, nothing worked. Then my nutritionist suggested something so simple I almost laughed. Cucumber juice, just cucumbers, blended and strained. I thought she was joking. How could something so basic make any difference? 3 weeks later, my coworker asked what I'd changed. My skin looked brighter, healthier. I had more energy too. That's when I realized this wasn't just another health trend. Let me share what actually happens when you drink cucumber juice regularly. First, hydration on a cellular level. Cucumbers are 95% water, but it's not ordinary water. This water contains electrolytes like potassium and magnesium that help your cells absorb fluid more effectively. The Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry published research showing cucumber water has a different molecular structure than regular water. Your body processes it more efficiently, leading to better hydration throughout the day. I started drinking 1 glass every morning, about 250 milliliters. Within days, I noticed I wasn't reaching for coffee as desperately. My energy felt steadier, less dependent on caffeine crashes. Second, inflammation reduction that you can actually feel. Cucumbers contain compounds called cucurbitacins and flavonoids. These molecules actively reduce inflammatory markers in your body. A study in the Journal of Young Pharmacists found cucumber extract significantly lowered inflammation in test subjects. This isn't abstract science, it's why my joint stiffness improved after 2 weeks of daily cucumber juice. My knees hurt less climbing stairs. My fingers felt less swollen in the mornings. Subtle changes that accumulated into noticeable comfort. Third, digestive support that finally worked for me. I'd struggled with bloating for years. Cucumber juice contains soluble fiber and water that work together to move things through your digestive system smoothly. The fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Healthy gut bacteria improve nutrient absorption and reduce inflammation throughout your body. According to research in Nutrients Journal, adequate fiber intake is crucial for maintaining digestive health. I drank cucumber juice 30 minutes before breakfast. The bloating that plagued me for months diminished significantly within 3 weeks. Fourth, blood pressure management. My doctor actually noticed. Cucumbers contain potassium, about 150 milligrams per cup. Potassium helps your body excrete excess sodium, which directly impacts blood pressure. The American Heart Association recognizes potassium as essential for cardiovascular health. My blood pressure dropped from 138/88 to 128/82 over 4 months. My doctor reduced one of my medications as a result. Cucumber juice alone didn't do this. I also reduced salt intake and walked daily, but the potassium from cucumbers played a measurable role. Fifth, skin improvement that people noticed. The silicate in cucumbers supports collagen production. Collagen keeps your skin firm and elastic. As we age, collagen production slows, leading to wrinkles and sagging. Research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology shows that adequate hydration and silica intake improves skin elasticity measurably. My skin felt more supple after 6 weeks. Fine lines around my eyes appeared less prominent. My dermatologist confirmed what the mirror showed. My skin's moisture levels had improved significantly compared to my previous visit. Sixth, weight management support that felt natural. Cucumber juice is low in calories, roughly 45 calories per glass, but high in volume. Drinking it before meals helped me feel fuller, so I ate smaller portions without forcing myself. The fiber content slows digestion slightly, stabilizing blood sugar. Stable blood sugar means fewer cravings for sugary snacks. I lost 4 kilograms over 5 months without feeling deprived or hungry. This wasn't rapid weight loss. It was gradual, sustainable change that came from better hydration and reduced mindless snacking. Seventh, antioxidant protection you can't see but definitely need. Cucumbers contain vitamin C, beta-carotene, and manganese. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals that damage cells and accelerate aging. According to the National Institutes of Health, antioxidants play crucial roles in preventing cellular damage. 1 glass of cucumber juice provides approximately 14% of your daily vitamins he needs. I can't see antioxidants working, but I noticed I recovered faster from workouts. My immune system seemed stronger too. I didn't catch the seasonal cold that went through my office.